In this video, we're going to look at ordering our output. We'll be looking at sorting on columns of data, the output that's on the screen, different ways of sorting it, different columns, and then we're also looking at ascending and descending. Here we're on our web page for Lab 9, and what we'll be looking at is down here underneath the example views. We'll start with the fourth one down here, example ice cream, view by ice cream name. This is where we ended in our last video, where we had the ice cream name based upon the base ID in the ice cream table. We're pulling in the name chocolate, and then based upon the add-in ID name in the ice cream table and matching it to the add-in ID in the add-in table, we're able to get brownies, stepping through each record of the query. Now what we're going to look at is sorting this. Here we can see that this table is sorted by ice cream name. It's in alphabetical order from B to W, or A to Z. A at the top, Z at the bottom. Well, how did we do that? I'm going to go in and look at that, I'm going to go open up this file, example ice cream, view by ice cream name, double click on that, right click in this column and say use soft wraps to wrap the line. Here's our select statement. This is where the ordering or the sorting is going. We're going to select any record from these three tables where these two IDs match and these two IDs match, each from their different associated tables, and then we're going to order it on ice cream name, and any one of those column heads, those variable names, we can sort on, and then we put the ASC, so in ascending order from A to Z, or numbers would be 0 to 100, and that's what does our sort here. And jumping back to the web page, we'll go and look, and that's exactly what's happening. Go to the main page, we'll look at the next one down, view by base name here, and now notice it's not by ice cream name here, but it's by base name, alphabetical order, cherry, chocolate, mint, vanilla, and then watermelon. Well, let's look at the code behind that one. Once again, we'll come over here to example ice cream, view by base name, double click on it, right click in this column here, say use soft wraps, and here's our select statement, the same as the previous one except for right here we've changed order by base name. The first one we had order by ice cream name, now we've done base name, and once again that gives us this column right here is in alphabetical order. We can go back to the main page here, and we can do the same thing for add-in name. Let's open that up, and now for add-in name it's in alphabetical order, being cherries, brownies, caramel, chocolate chip, none, and peanut butter cup. Let's look at that file, example ice cream, view by add-in name, right click to do our soft wrap, and everything is the same in our select statement right here up until this order by, and then we have add-in name, and this is the exact output we are getting, alphabetical in this column. And if you hadn't guessed by now, we can actually go down here and do view ice cream by date created, and I'm going to show you the difference between ascending and descending. We'll do ascending first, and if you notice, the earliest dates are first, coming to the most recent dates at the bottom. Looking at that code is example ice cream, view by ice cream, date created, ascending. Right click to get us our soft wraps. The select statement is identical once again until we get here, and this is our ice cream date created. Just change one variable, and That gave us our sort on that date. Now here is the one little last twist to this. If we click on view by ice cream date created descending, it's going to list the newest ones first, so 2016 to 15 to 14. And what happens there is this is the ascending one, so this is all the same up until this point. Let's double click on the descending, right click for our soft wraps, and then here's our select statement, all the same. Even this variable is the same, except here it's saying descending. That's the order that it's going to be displayed. If it's a date, it's going to be the newest dates first to the oldest dates. If it's number, it's going to be the biggest number to the lowest number. If it's alphabetical, it's going to be Z to A. It's the opposite of the ascending. Thank you for watching this video.